He got my cameraman.
Jamaican boy playing soccer. Homo soccer. Look, Jamaican boy. Oh. What's that African soccer player? That 16-year-old nigga?
Heto.
The Hetu? My nigga's a foot fairy. Look at that. It's real homo. Hey, look at me. I'm not stupid, nigga. I'm watching you.
Man, running man.
Fuck that. There's Christopher. Go! Come on, you a fucked up goalie. I'm Jamaican assholes. Here's powder. We needed some lights, now we have it. There's a rat down there too. I saw that nigga earlier, yo. Yeah, yo. Oh, these niggas are what? Wait. This is my man Krillin. Look, just like Krillin. Put 4 dots in his head. This is Emmanuel. Emmanuel.
So when you go in
Emmanuel.
looking at
shit work? This shit is good?
I ain't use it yet. That shit gonna make me get the 10 plagues. I'll tell you that shit. I'm gonna get the 10 plagues using that cream. You're gonna see. I'm gonna get the 10 plagues using that cream. You're gonna see mad wasps flying around and shit. Fucking burst the fucking fire falls from the skies. I saw the mummy.
Oh, fuck you.
Oh, he cracked this shit.
The mummy's 3 too.
I saw that shit.
They have it on there.
That bad. Oh! More shot! More shot! I'm coming again, man! Yes! Go!
That didn't hurt, man.
They were looking for him, now they found him. Oh, not me, nigga. Come on, not me. Not me. Come on. Don't hurt the camera guy. Oh, bitch shit. You should have like Blair Witch Project.